Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore a simple and effective method to learn speaking English at home. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your English, these steps will guide you through the process. So let's dive in. So let's start with step number 1. Build your vocabulary. Start by learning new words every day. Use flashcards, mobile apps, or online resources to make it fun and interactive. Create a daily routine to reinforce your vocabulary skills. Step number 2. Practice pronunciation. Correct pronunciation is crucial. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts, or use pronunciation apps to refine your accent. Repeat words and phrases aloud to build your confidence in your speaking skills. Step number 3. Engage in conversation. Find a language exchange partner or practice with friends who speaks English. Engaging in regular conversation will improve your fluency and help you apply what you have learned in real life situation. Step number 4. Read out loud. Reading out loud is an excellent way to enhance your speaking skills. Choose books, articles, or even news updates and read them aloud. This helps improve your pronunciation, intonation, and overall communication skills. Step number 5. Use language learning app. Take advantage of language learning apps that focus on speaking skills. Many apps offer interactive lessons, conversation practice, and speech recognition features to give you instant feedback. Step number 6. Set realistic goal. Set achievable goals for yourself, whether it's mastering a specific number of words each week or holding a short conversation in English. Setting goals keeps you motivated and track. Step number 7. Record yourself. Record your spoken English regularly. This allows you to identify areas for improvement, track your progress, and gain confidence in your speaking abilities. So, now at last, if I sum up all these steps, then learning English at home can be both enjoyable and rewarding. By incorporating these simple steps into your daily routine, you will find yourself becoming more comfortable and proficient in speaking English. Remember, consistency is key, so practice regular. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more language learning tips. Happy learning. See you soon in the next video.